Hi, this is rolazarcoding.com, and this video is about TypeScript Editor Power User 1, able to efficiently use a code editor or IDE to compile, execute, and debug TypeScript code. I'll be reviewing the following skills: install a TypeScript-compatible code editor on your computer, use code editor to create functional TypeScript code, build applications from multiple source files, compile code using keyboard shortcuts in the code editor. Number 5, run unit tests using keyboard shortcuts in the code editor. Number 6, install extensions that enhance language or framework coding experience. Number 7, utilize language or framework specific code highlighting. Number 8, utilize language or framework specific auto-completion, such as IntelliSense. Execute code from within the code editor using a keyboard shortcut. Number 10, debug code and pause execution at breakpoints. And number 11, step over and into code during debugging.